How to submit Roblox support ticket. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on More. After you have clicked on More, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Help and Safety. Click on Help and Safety. After you have clicked on Help and Safety, in here at the top, click on Help. After you have clicked on Help, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and select any one problem that you're facing. After you click on the problem, you'll find sub-problems. Select the one you prefer. After you have selected any of these, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down and click on Need More Help, Contact Support here. After you click on here, you'll find Support Ticket in this way. In here, you can add your username, first name, email address, and also confirm email address. Then, what device are you having the problem on? Select your device. Then, type of help category, the problem you're facing. Select the one you prefer. Then, after that, help subcategory type, select again. After you select it, at the bottom, add description. You can also describe in detail and press on continue at the bottom. After you have done that, press on OK. As you can see, request received. Now, after some time, you will find result on your email, which you have added at the top. And this is how to submit Roblox support ticket. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.